Good evening to everyone. We are Group 11 and today we are going to present our project. So our group member have 4 members, which is Nurul Husna binti Suadi, Nurul Afifah Fatin binti Nooring, and To Ikwang.
Good greetings to Dr. Noor Haslinda. My name is To Ikwang and my metric number is DF190161. Today I want to present about the introduction and justification on the selection of construction method for our group final project. First and foremost, industrialized building system (IBS) is a construction technique whereby the components have been manufactured in a controlled environment. The controlled environment can be either on-site or off-site, depends on the manufactured component and the types of building have been constructed. IBS is also a term used for prefabrication method among the construction industries in Malaysia.
For this one is our project 2-story clinic plan view, ground floor and the first floor, and both are used the modular coordination. So after this one is the front elevation, rear elevation, and left side elevation.
Hi, I Nurul Afifa will now explain IBS core explained in this project. For introduction, IBS core is the score for computing the total IBS component used in the building construction. IBS core calculated for superstructure only, and any structural part below the ground level is not considered. The highest IBS score is an indicator reduction in site labor, lower wastage, less site material, cleaner environment, better quality, and safer construction site, as well as contribute to lower construction costs. The IBS core component is applied differently in both government and private sector. For government projects that worth value more than 10 million, the IBS score must at least 70%, while private sector projects that more than 50 million must at least 50% of IBS score. There are three components in IBS score, which is structural system, wall system, and other simplified construction solutions. For structural system, the maximum score for structural system is 50 points or 50%. Points are awarded for various types of structural systems such as precast concrete beams and columns, steel, and prefabricated timber and others. For wall system, the maximum score for wall system is 20 points. Points are awarded based on various types of walls, system modules such as precast concrete panel, glass, partition, block work, and others. While for other simplified construction solutions, have maximum score of 30 points or are awarded based on usage of other simplified construction solutions such as standard components based on MS1064, standardized grid and other 3D prefabricated components such as prefabricated toilets, staircase, and others. Utilization of construction innovative methods or solutions that can contribute toward labor saving, enhance quality and productivity.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Husna binti Suadi. My metric number is CF190223. Today I would like to present about IBS score for our project, which is 2-story clinic. So first we must know the construction area for the project. So the construction area for the ground floor is 28 times 3m times 38 times 3m, which we got 95.8 meters squared. Same goes to the first floor, which we got 28 times 3m and 38 times 3m. So the total area for the construction is 287.4 meters square, including the construction roof area. So next we go to the structural system. So for beams and columns, we use precast concrete. For the floor slab, we use precast half slab floor. So prefabricated timber roof truss is for the roof. So next we go to the wall system. So first we must know how to calculate the wall length. For the curved or diagonal wall, we assume the wall is straight. We measure wall length from grid to grid for external wall, which we ignore the columns. And for internal wall, we measure actual wall length. So for internal wall, we use precast concrete panel, which the length for the ground floor is 9.6 meter and first floor is 20.4 meter. For external wall, we use precast block work, which the length is for the ground floor 25.2 meter. For the first floor is 44.1 meter. Next, other simplified construction solution that complies with the standardized components based on MS1064. For the beams is 90% and for the column is 100%. For the wall and slab is 80% that comply with MS1064. Meanwhile, for the doors and window, we comply less than 50%. For the two-story clinics, the rotation of structural horizontal layout is 100%, and other productivity enhancing solution we use is modular grid 9 drawing, which is 100%. So we go to the calculation. So first we must know the area. So the area we divide by the total area, which is 287.4. We got 0.3. For the factor, we use precast column and beams and precast concrete slab. So we got 1 for the factor for the ground floor. So 0.33 times by 1, which is the factor, times 50 is the weightage for the structural system. So we got 16.5. Next, for the coverage area for the first floor area is the same. So for the factor is we use precast column and beams and no slab. So we also got 1 for the factor. So 0.23 times 1 times 50 for the weightage, and we also got 16.5. For the roof truss, since we use prefab timber roof truss, the IPS factor is 1. So 0.33, which is the coverage, and 1 is the factor, 50 is the weightage, so we also got 16.5. So we sum up all the score. So the total is 49.5. So for the wall system, we must total up the length of the wall from the ground floor and the first floor. For the external wall, we got 96.3 divided by total, which is the sum of external and internal wall. So we got 0.7. 0.7 times by the weightage 0.5 because we use block work system. Times 20 is the weightage for the wall system. So we got 7 for the score. So internal wall we use precast concrete panel, we got 1. So the coverage area is 0.3 times 1 times 20, the weightage for the wall system, we got 6. So the total IBS score for the part 2 is 13. Next, other simplified construction solution. Since the beams we use 70% that complies to MS1064, we got 2 for the percentage. We got 2, the score we got is 2. And for columns, we comply 100% with 4. Meanwhile, for walls and slab, we comply 8%, so we got 8. For the rotation of structural horizontal layout, since this building is one two-story buildings. So we got 6 for the score. Then since we use 100% of modular group 9 in Going, so we got 4 for the IBS score. So the total up of this score is 24. So to get the total score for the IBS score is we sum up of the part 1, which is 49.5, part 2 13, and part 3 24. So we get the total IBS score is 86.5. That's all from me.